This is Beng Tsonga in essay with Semso Mabasana.
Fumani and Shiluvana,
Yes. But outside that, it doesn't mean your dialect has to die. Dialect yawena is the base. You're the original thing. True. Standardization is something that comes in later on. So kuna and master loko urumtsonga loko when you come from a people who have never had anything. Fana na n'wana utshama vona genge yi kula ku vava loko veka swakudya tafuleni funya njhani a yi swi tolovelanga a nga swi kota ku relaxa ku ri you know grab a wing and just need ni move around loko wo khoma wing leya u round around loko vuya swi herile so it's those dynamics but unfortunately I think swababa especially if you are putting out your best performance and then especially being rejected by your own people. That
was like the hardest. It took me a while to amukela ko. You know, not everyone will understand. But then Bangwanyan, after some time, warmed up to us. And so I was like, I'm going to take the ones that are happy for us, move along with those, the ones with the bad remarks.
I want to ask you, remember, even a discussion before this thing blew up, and I can pambo, I got that babu tree,
oh, the baobab, yeah,
and and I said, good guys, your lives are gonna be like this. Did you believe me, or you thought I was talking nonsense?
I thought you were exaggerating.
No, I did believe, but I didn't think it was gonna, be this big. I know, yeah, staba that's one of the but I didn't expect them to staba and fast. Yeah, because it was like very.
I remember Kaipulana part too, because again it's edited actually here.
Yeah, we know that
we went there.
We did our breathing there.
So you look another professional editor about how like the fame, how people's lives have changed. So I look it's just been a month and their lives have changed like. And Pataru Balala, when I say this way, ungana relationship nabano in production, have conversations with them so
I
that
was
they
actually doing
understand Kuri. They are no longer regular people.
I began
just candy takes
anymore.
Jim,
who's that Jim?
Yeah, I was like, I remember Amcha at the wedding. I was trying to tell Mata, Mr. LV bag, all kinds of men.